Alternative page with canonical tag. So what if I tell you this is not a problem or this is not an error, this is just a message by the Google? Would you believe me? This is Sabir, and in this video I'm going to talk about alternative page with the canonical tag. In the previous video we have talked about excluded by a no index tag, and this video is about alternative page with canonical tag. So I have opened Google Search Console, and this is the first tab you can see named with alternative page with canonical tag. So let's just explore it and see what we can do with it. So there are 1.95k pages, and this is a e-commerce store website. So let me just make myself okay. So first of all, you need to understand what it is alternative page with proper canonical tag. That means Google find more than one variation of any page in your website. For example, if this is a page and Google finds 2 or 3 variations in your website, and Google also find that there is a canonical tag present in these variations, and that is why I'm telling you this is not a problem, this is just a message by the Google, because Google find that there is a canonical tag, and in the same way there are more than one variation present in your website, and Google also understand what is a final version I have to index, or the other variation I have to exclude it from the search. So let's just explore one by one, and that way you will also understand further how we can, solve it, or how canonical tag works. Okay, so this is a page this is a page where which we find in the Google Search Console, and this is a referring page that Google have crawled, and from where Google find the variation, and this is a user declared canonical tag URL. So that means this is a final URL, and this one is the duplicate version of this one, because this is a variation behike/56, and then this is an extra part, and this is the same URL, and that is called a variation of this page. And Google also stated that same as user declared canonical. So that means Google find that this is a page where Google find yes, canonical tag is present, and this is a page that as a webmaster we declared it as a canonical tag, or this is a page that we want to index or that we want to rank, because this is a primary URL. And let's just open it and see if we can find canonical tag in it. Okay, so this is a URL, and if I open with the detailed SEO extension, so you can see that this is also indexable, and this is canonicalized. This page is canonicalized if I opened this variation. So let me just check it manually. So I have right click it, Ctrl+U, or view resource, view page resource, Ctrl+F, and canonical. So you can see the page is set as canonical tag, and this is the final URL that we want to rank, or we want to take it as primary URL. So I hope you understand the concept. So let's just open another one so you can understand it further. So let's just retrieve it from the index. Again, this is a variation, and this is a main URL, and this is a user declared canonical because, and Google selected canonical. This is a same as well. Excuse me. So let's continue it. So if I open it, and if I click on detailed XU extension, so you can see this is a main or a primary URL that is canonicalized, and this is a variation, and this is also indexable, but this URL should not be indexed. Alright, so let's just open it with page view resource, and you can see the canonical tag is set. Canonical tag, this is a href tag, http cubancigaronline.com, product Cuban cigar backpack. So this is how canonical works, and let's just open a real one. So this is a page, retrieve it, and now this is a user declared canonical, and Google also picked it up as a canonical, and this is a variation, product Cuban cigar and the product name, and product Cuban cigar Cohiba, and then the product variation. So there is a little difference. Product, we have three variation here. Main category, product, then we have I believe subcategory, and this is the main category, I believe, or subcategory. Alright, and this is a URL of the product, and here we have only three variations, so that is why this is a user declared canonical. And as a webmaster, we deliberately selected this user declared canonical, or we select it as final URL that we want to index or that we want to rank. Alright, so let me just open it. Check with the detailed XU extension, so you can see that this is a URL where we can find a canonicalized tag. So another thing we can check it, let's just open the final URL or the primary URL that declared as canonical tag. So you can see indexable self-referencing. So this is a final URL. So this is how you can check one by one, and this is not a problem. This is a message by the Google. Yes, Google find more than one variation of a page, and that is why Google list on all of the page here that have canonical tag. So this is a concept of alternative page with canonical tags. Alright, so I hope you got the concept, and I hope you know what it is. Either we should do something with it or not. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.